Hello everybody! Today I am going to be playing Animal Hospital with this special subscriber called Animations. But their username is Dog Animations. Yes. They're on the phone with me right now. Say hello or something.
Hello.
Alright. So, yeah, today we're going to be playing Animal Hospital. I heard it's a really popular game, so yeah. And as you can see, I already tried the game. 14 shifts, so let's get into the game. Whee!
Alright.
Alright, I'm starting it. Alright, start now. Wait. Oh no. I think there's a random inside. Oh god.
Oh, well.
Alright. Well, we got another special guest. A random player that I've 0% never met before.
Interesting.
Okay, so, yep, we got random. Hi.
Cool.
And of course he already takes the coffee. Man. Took the coffee. Alright, okay, I guess I'll start checking in people. Hello, ... I went to check in as a patient. Okay, got you, bro. Snap picture. Wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly. Alright, there. Pew, pew. Take that. Alright, have fun. Okay. Aren't you supposed to be a security guard? Like, come on, go over there. Pretend you're working. Go to sleep or something. I don't know. Get out of my office.
Alright.
Get out of my office.
I'll just sit here. I guess I can't sit, I'll just stand here.
Fine. I'm Zoe Spiders. Alright. I'm checking as a patient. Got you. Well, actually, I heard that 10% sanity can go away if you see a cursed photo if you interact with it. So, yeah, so I'm just not gonna inspect it. Just gonna look at from a distance. Here we go.
Let me know. There's no anomalies on day 1.
Oh. It's okay. Just to be extra careful. Let me open. It's locked. Never mind. We're gonna have to use our taser.
Alright.
Oh.
I'm staring at a black screen because I can.
Got you. Let me take out your DNA. What the hell were you doing? Just sitting there waiting for a red carpet, man. What were you doing? Okay, we. Alright, let's see what you got. Bro literally predicted it. He predicted it, bro. Okay, this guy. Oh god. Oh god, the doctor's arriving. Okay. Hello, sir. I was doing all the work here. These two were just playing, eating donuts and all that stuff. I was doing most of the work here, of course. Yes, of course. I just got hired. I needed the money. Hello, Mr. Hallow. Things get strange. Just keep working. I got you, bro. Kind of strange things, though. Oh, thank you. Alright, we don't want your service. Get it! Alright, come on. I'm the best. I'm the best employee, right? Wait, I don't think they give it out.
Sure.
Excellent. Let's go. Alright. Oh, brother. Why did this guy get the best? It's not fair.
Who knows?
Hello,
I'm in charge of
Maggie.
cameras.
Alright. Tell me if someone's twitching or it's someone tweaking.
He good.
Alright. Alright. There. Have fun. Room 5. Got it. Man, this job is... Raphael! My buddy old pal! Let's go! Sorry, but I think in the lounge we got like a block of cheese, bro.
Nah.
Yeah, you are short, bro. I hear things. I see things. Yes. Cool. So you're gonna give me your papers? Wow, being a check-in person is very dangerous, bro. Trust.
It can be.
No, it cannot.
You can get shot.
What?
You can get shot, bro.
Shot by what? No one normally has a gun. Give me all your money in the register. Gang, this is a hospital, not this is a hospital, gang. Not a market basket. This is not a market basket, bro. Trust.
I mean, I'll just. Oh no.
Wait. I mean, we always have to give people a chance, bro. Like, just gotta see.
No.
But man, get out. Just get out. Get out!
It was a skinwalker.
Skinwalker, seriously?
He looked good.
Hello, Sammy Yoon. Sure. You look totally normal. Gimme. Slap that thing on ya. Alright, have fun in room 4. I mean, there's no... And no. I want the cop. You're just sitting there. You're just sitting there doing nothing. Why?
I get to fix cameras and I gotta check the cameras. I also have patience. Bye.
Let me lock this door so you can never take that back. This is my coffee now. In my office. Oh. You gotta wake up in the morning saying, give me some coffee. Oh, let me fix this camera real quick. Maybe this is good. Yeah, I can show my entire TV screen. Maybe like a little up. I think that's good. The doctor's arriving. Totally normal. Nothing happened here. What are you looking at?
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at your hat. Stupid. That's not how you spell security. Oh, thank you. Supply shop. Oh, shop. I have only $63 for some reason. I really hope this guy's an anomaly, bro. I want to smack him. Okay, so I only have like $63. Oh, my pay. Do I get my paycheck? Can I have my paycheck? Yes, 163. Okay, so we can get the fast printers. No. I mean, we need this. We need the extra window.
Well, I can afford it. All I can afford is the extra thingy.
Oh, we need coffee. Why is he just looking at me weird? Sir, can I help you? This is not a McDonald's, bro. Yeah. Have fun, bro. Have fun. I heard there's a McDonald's like down the alleyway. Have fun. Alright. I got you. Just give me your papers. Alright, say cheese.
You look good.
Okay, look good. Give me that badge. Just slap that on your chest. Oh my god, someone... Paramedic! Come on! Is bro just carrying it with, like, no hands? What the hell? Who are you looking at? Oh, where did you come from? Okay. Want to check in as a patient? I got you. Just give me your papers.
Why do you have a rabbit tail?
What do you mean?
A cat.
Looks perfectly normal. Let me just check. Yep, it looks perfectly normal. Kaboom! Another person fainted. Paramedic. You guys have been been drinking all the coffee, bro. I'm the only person who hasn't actually got the coffee. Hello, sir.
I just caught him
ma'am.
on the security
Animal.
camera throwing out the patient.
Wait, is the security camera good? Alright, give me that. Cheese. Okay. Perfectly normal. I never clicked on the computer. Stop it. What the? Huh? Huh? Oh, I think it was the paramedic. Okay, who forgot to pay the electricity bill, bro? Seriously? What the? What's a little? Oh, it's the fire extinguisher. I got you. Just give me your papers. Okay, let me see. Cha-ching. It looks perfectly normal. Cameras. Are the cameras good? Let me see.
Yeah, pretty good.
Alright. Slap down on ya. Why do people keep fainting? And there's a person on fire. Who has the fire extinguisher? Wait, I got you. I just put it out with my hands. Let me get some ointment real quick. Got some ointment. Bro. Trust, I got you. This will definitely treat you, I think. There you go. Would you stop taking my job? Alright. See. Okay, you look perfectly normal. Okay, boom. Oh, I leveled up. Let's go. I'm level 2 now. Well, I guess I can help him. Got you, homie. I got you. I'm gonna put some gloves on. Wait a minute. I have no fingers. They give us... Okay, bleeding, which is bandages. Flu, cough syrup, and rash, ointment. Okay. Bro, I recognize this, bro. Cough syrup, right? Yeah. I know my things. I should be a doctor, but... Oh, God. Okay, I got this. Let me get the eye drops. There. You're welcome. You can look up now. I need the coffee! I'm on 50%!
Yeah, you're fine.
Bro! I am on 50%.
Tell me if he takes the coffee again, I'll pay him.
I'm on 50%. Why?
I'll guard the coffee machine.
I called the taser.
Well, whenever my taser runs out, I'm snatching that one, by the way.
Okay. Finally, some good news. Maybe like a chocolate bar? A gun? Oh man, it's a gun.
Very expensive.
I got a gun, bro. Okay.
All I'm gonna buy is upgrades.
I need the coffee, okay? Okay, this looks perfectly normal, nothing wrong. Check the cameras real quick. The one job that you're doing wrong and you're not even doing it, bro. Check the cameras. Slap that on. Is he drinking the coffee again?
Uh-huh.
I swear, I need the coffee. Rafu, bro, I got you, my bro. Thank you. I mean, I really am a good guy. Thank you. Hello, Rafu. I already know. My advice? Don't trust anyone here. What the? Oh!
Anyways.
You did not see that, Raph. You're too little to see that, alright? I don't even need to look at the picture. You're good. Security, fix the camera. Fix the camera. Hello, sir. Give me your papers. Can I taste this one? Can I taste this one, please? I got this.
Yeah.
Got this. You look too creepy to be here, so get out. You're welcome.
Coffee was ready.
Get out. Yeah, you should, bro. Wait, is this one good? Yo, fix the cameras, my guy. Stop taking my job, bro. Take that. Patient's on fire. I got the fire extinguisher.
The coffee's ready.
Give me the coffee. My sanity is more important. I'm joking. Finally, some good old coffee. This is really nice. I'm gonna put this fire extinguisher back. Take that. Is someone gonna do surgery or not? Where is the paramedic? Like, he left. I think you need. Can you go get the patients? He left.
Sure.
Yeah, go do surgery. All right, this guy left. All right, I got this. You look perfectly normal. Let me see right there. Yup, nothing wrong. Okay, yep, nothing wrong. Ching, kaboom.
If I knew I was gonna be taking care of patients, I would have used nurse also.
Tommy! I got this one. Don't worry. Bro, like, when was the last time you slept, bro? You need to go to sleep. Alright, you can take care of that one. Checking 2 patients. Alright. Yes, thank you. Yep. Give me your papers. Thank you. Alright, let me just see. Alright. You guys look perfectly normal. You look normal. I got this feeling that somebody's watching me. Alright, I'm fine. Don't worry, I will help you finish these because it says, you know, I got 1 to 5, you just finish 6 to 8, alright? Oh my god, who pooped on the ground again, bro?
Alright.
No one in here. Someone in here. Hello, Raph, come back. What the? I heard like a growler thingy. Okay, dehydration and bleeding. IV drops and bandages. Bro, I am so smart, bro. I know exactly what these people need, bro. No, let me finish it. Let me finish these people, alright? Maple syrup, eye drops, and ointments. Alright, you got that one. Okay, let me get these 2 rooms, alright? Okay, flu and low sugar. So cough drops, cough syrup and maple syrup. Yeah! Man, I love this game. Okay, hello, Mr. Raph. Don't worry. Let me just take this off since you're already here. Once you give us the key, we'll open it, I promise. Just bleeding? Alright, got you, bro. I hate you. Just waiting for one of these people to pop up like an anomaly, bro. Coffee! Give me that coffee. Wait, are you low?
No.
Alright, bet. Nom. 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 Man, I love coffee. Alright, just 4 left. Alright, everyone here is great. Don't worry, I got him. You forgot the cough syrup. Security guard doing a little doctor's. Oh god, we gotta run, we gotta run, we gotta run. Ha ha. Oh, sir, I've been doing. What? 6 people died in. Oh god. Alright, you look at the cameras and tell me which ones are safe or not, alright?
Alright.
Tell me what to tase. Tell me who to tase, alright?
You only get 1 shot.
Why are you running? I should be the one running. Alright, I got this. Is number 1 safe?
Yep. Number 2 safe. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7.
They're all good? Are they all good?
On the camera's all good.
Alright, I got 1 to 3. You take the rest of people, alright? Okay, number 3 is actually gonna die quicker, so, let's see. Bruises, that's, I think that's medkit, dehydration, IV drops, and flu is cough syrup. Yes! Can I apply, taser as a treatment?
No.
Oh. Okay, low sugar, maple syrup, and dehydration IV drops. Man, I'm so smart. A ritual?
Oh, no.
Okay, I think you just need to take the candles. That's what I saw in a Fink Noodles video, I think. Open the door! Alright.
It doesn't take away sanity if you have eye drops.
What? Oh, really?
If you have, like, eye drops, it doesn't take away your sanity.
Extinguish. Can you not die, please? I have a good reputation. Bro, take care of the candle! Damn. Oh, God. Get your weapon. We wasted.
Oh,
Why? Okay, I got the rest of the people. Come on. Alright, you do that. You got surgery, right?
No.
Okay, bleeding, that's just bandages. Yep. Bro, I should be a doctor one day, bro. I'm so smart. What the? Oh. Okay, let's see. Come on, give me something good. Low sugar, maple syrup. Yeah. Maple syrup right here. I feel like someone is an anomaly.
You feel like it.
Herbs. Oh wait, herbs and cough syrup. He's going to surgery room. Better watch out. Oh damn. Alright, I got everyone through 1 to 5. They're all healing. Man, who keeps like damaging these cameras, bro? Damn. Spending too much money out here. Congratulations, you completed the surgery. Oh God. That means one of people is an anomaly because we finished everything. Stay next to this. Stay next to the surgery guy. Stay next to the surgery guy. He's an anomaly. He's an anomaly. I knew it. You got that. You have the taser, right?
No, I don't.
Give me 1 second. I have the taser. Give me 1 sec. Can you wait like a minute?
Yeah.
I should bring it to the patients, and then we'll just beat them out. Okay? See, we don't lose any sanity. All right. See, we don't lose any sanities. We just got. Stop sleeping on my floor. Get out. Get out, man. Stop sleeping on my floor. Get out. Get out. Get out. All right.
There it is.
You can take the coffee. I call coffee next. Hello, sir. Hello. Good job. The emergency is over for now. Okay. More ambulance will come and be prepared. All right. Thank you. Here's a bonus. Oh, bad. Give me that bonus. I call going to the shop. Alright. Okay, so I guess we can. I have like $400. You can take the scanner. Ron, what's good, my boy? Name's Ron. I got you, bro. From accounting. One camera's down. Alright, you just go treat the patients, alright? I got this.
I like to check them all in at once and then just do them all after.
I want to do the camera thingy. You take the taser and get out.
That's my whole like job though.
You can just fix the cameras.
I don't want to just fix the camera.
And you can just treat patients as well. Come on.
I would have learned nurse if I wanted to do that.
Is this guy good? Is this guy good?
Yes.
Are you sure? Alright.
Well, not for, if the picture is different.
Oh my God! Not again! Put him out with your finger or something. I don't know. I'll get the ointment. I got the ointment. Man, I'm being right with ya. Just give me a sec. Perfectly normal. Perfectly normal. Alright. Alright, room 7, room 5. Come on, you got patients to treat. Go.
I'm letting them all get checked in and then I'll treat patients.
I feel... Did someone take a poop or was that an anomaly?
I gave the bed monsters and they're to 0.
Oh, Rafu, hello,
So
bro.
you stop trying to attack us.
What's up, bro? How you doing? People with suitcases are hiding stuff. Something... No, don't waste it on Rafu. He's always safe, bro.
I know. You're good, sure.
Okay, he's good.
No, he is not. No, he is not.
Oh, thank you. Look, his mouth. It's just wide open. Can you... Thank you. Alright, Raph, you already know you're good. How can Raph you become like an anomaly, bro? Come on. Yeah. Whoa. I swear if I get a cursed picture. Alright, good. It's this one. Bro, go cheat patients. And I need the coffee. Give me 1 second.
I don't want to treat patients.
No. Oh!
It has 1 to 3 patients.
Alright. Better not take my job, though. Are both of these people good?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, now we gotta treat all 7 patients now. Give me 1 second. Ow. Ow, ow.
What is happening?
Nothing. Just some eyes appeared on the ceiling and I just gave them some eye drops. Let me take care 1 to 5. You get 6 and 8, alright? At this point, I'm not taking care of that eye, people. Okay, let's see. Headache. That's like herbs? No, not herbs. Is it? No, medicine. Damn it. Never got a symptom called headache. Alright, you just get out of here faster because there's an eye person there. Alright, let's see. You got dehydration IV drops. Yeah. So good at my job, bro. I need a raise. Do you think Mr. Hollow will give me a raise?
You should give all of us a raise.
No, I need the Canadian maple syrup, stomach ache, I think that's herbs, and bleeding bandages. I'm so good at my job, bro. But why is Canadian a symptom?
I don't know. I think it means a low blood sugar.
I don't know, bro. Alright, come on. Stomach ache, herbs, headache, medicine, rash, ointment. Yeah! Alright, I think everyone here is good. I'll help you with the 6 to 8. Hello, Mr. Ron.
I did all those.
Canadian and bruises. Maple syrup and medkit. Okay. You got the surgery. You got this. Oh, this is rough, you. I swear to God, if you've messed this one up. 2 medicines, 1 scissors. I got the scissors.
I'm done.
What?
Why did you give him scissors after I gave him scissors?
Why would you do that? Raph, no!
I'm gonna tase you. Why did you kill him?
No, not Raph, bro. Does that mean he's not gonna show up ever? Is he just dead?
Probably. No coffee for you.
I'm at 49%. Your sanity is important. Don't die on me. Yeah, insanity is good. Ow!
Hey man, you killed Ratsy. You deserved it, bro.
Sorry.
I think this is why surgery's a one-person thing.
I got poor, man. At least I got $144. Okay, let's see. Visitor check-in faster. Bet. 33%. Okay. No, I'm too broke for that. You wasted the coffee. Oh, let me talk to him. Excuse me, sir. This is now McDonald's. There's a McDonald's down the alleyway. So, if you can, please get. Yeah, this guy's good. Like, he doesn't like being rejected, and I feel like this guy like literally made the anomalies. So I feel like we have to give him the coffee, or bad luck will give us stuff. What do you think?
I don't know.
Alright, we'll give him the coffee. What? Who forgot to pay the electricity bills, bro? Excuse me, this is my job.
The owner of the hospital.
Okay, is
Who's
this one?
Canadian anomaly?
This is an anomaly.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, just wait until the coffee's done. Then just give it a minute. Literally a minute. I'm giving him the coffee, by the way. Ah! I want to buy the gun. By the way, I called coffee next after this because I'm on 44% because someone tased me.
I would never.
Do I have to replay the footage?
No.
Exactly.
You killed Matthew, bro.
It was an accident.
You killed Matthew.
It was an accident.
My child. You killed my child.
It was an accident.
You killed my child.
I didn't know you got the scissors. Ow. Barney? No. My coffee.
Well, let's get a coffee.
Can you get out? Thank you. Man, it was like 5 seconds until the coffee was done, bro.
Like 4 seconds, actually.
Bro. Still here, huh? Yeah, I am. The last guy got eaten by the bed monster. Oh man, shucks. That's why I always carry maple syrup with me. Oh, he's Canadian. Is he good?
Yeah.
Can you not do my job, please?
I'm stealing your job.
No! Get out! Stop! Would you stop? I will literally buy this gun right now.
I have a taser.
No. Besides, gun kills. Taser just tase and stuns. Hello, sir. How can I help you?
That's an anomaly.
He is.
Yeah, he's a skinwalker. Look at the camera.
Let me look at the camera. Give me 1 sec. He looks perfectly fine, bro. He looks perfectly fine. He looks perfectly fine, I think. See, he looks perfectly fine.
Good.
Is this one good?
Yeah.
I got the feeling somebody's... Did you just poop on my floor? You're lucky I don't have the taser, bro.
What?
I will kill you.
Why?
Alright. Here's a camera. Cha-ching. Does he look normal? Yup, he looks perfectly normal. Would you stop stealing my job, please? You're a security guard.
There's 2 windows. There's 2 windows.
Fine, but I called this one. I called this window then. Check. Wait, one of these people are an anomaly because it's checking 0. Huh. I called the taser. Oh, never mind. I don't have a taser. I got this feeling that somebody's watching me. Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna look up. I'm kidding. Okay, it's gone. Fever. Firmo. Is it Firmo? Yeah, I knew it. I got this feeling. Huh? I got this feeling. Somebody's watching me. Bro, where is the stalker? I want to make this meme, bro. Do you think the stalker is Raphu's sister? Dried eyes.
Well, it is.
Cough drops and eye drops. Yeah, because it says the shadow. You can see everything now. When you find the thingy. Oh god! Oh wait, Canadian. He's Canadian. I know he's Canadian. Wait, do I just? Oh, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome. Oh, look at him. He's so cute, bro. He's not an anomaly. He's just cute. Bruises. Medkit. Eye drops and Firma.
Why did you get in the way? I'm trying to get him off you.
I'm gonna tase you the next time I got a taser, bro.
Okay. I guess it's fair. I tased you when you killed Raphu.
Alright. But Raphu, it was an accident.
Bro. This is why you let me do surgery.
Herbs, bandages, and maple syrup. You didn't even get the herbs. Wow. How dare you. I got this feeling somebody's watching me. Alright, let me check that. Alright, action needed. Let's see. Flu, cough syrup. Knew it. I'm so good at my job. Alright, 1 for 5 is done. Oh, would you like some help with surgery again? Let's kill Ron as well.
Again.
Let's kill Ron as well. I got the bandages. I got the bandages this time. I got the bandages. Scissors. I got the scissors. That was your fault. That was your fault.
Why is it always the scissors that kills the patient?
I don't know. I mean, the video has been going on for an hour, so I guess this is it. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hey, we got $106, by the way. And I am the best. Well, everyone, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if we should do another Animal Hospital video, comment down below. Thanks, guys. Bye!